Archie.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Vulcan and Rhonda the Frenchies, and now this is our new fur baby, and his name is Yamanote. Yamanote, you're so likot, ha? Yamanote, you're so likot. Today we are going to the vet because it is the 2nd month vaccine of Yamanote. It's his 6-in-1. And also, it's anti-rabies vaccine also of Mountain Boy.
Papel lang dyan?
Ay, wala papa, I did not.
Hindi mo malap. Oh no! Hindi tayo sa mga ulit yan.
Hello, Mountain Boy! Hello! Kumalik ko! Ay! Ano pa yan, Mountain? Kagat ka naman ng kagat sa... Ay, hindi pala Mountain. Yamanote. Kagat ka ng kagat sa akin. Mountain Boy? Sino yan, Mountain? Sino? Today is the first time that Mountain saw Yamanote. We are not letting Yamanote play with the boys, with the adult boys, with Mountain and Vulcan, because he's only 2 months and he's yet to get his vaccine. Wait lang. Let's wait for your turn. At the vet, they are so fond with Yamanote. They said he is so cute and tiny.
Si Mountain din. So, selo si Mountain.
Look at Mountain. He is already 2 years old and yet he is still scared of the vet.
Mountain.
Alam niyo ang tumugal ito pag ganun lagi yung pag dumadaan na
Natatakot si Mountain. Mountain, wow, scared. Oh, no. It's okay, Mountain. It's okay. Hawakan nga natin. Massage mo siya. Hindi kita mahawakan, Mountain, eh. Ang likod nitong isa, eh.
We gave Mountain a massage so that he will be relieved, he will be distressed, and he will be relaxed.
Look at Yamanote, oh. Look at Yamanote. He's clueless. Relax. Oh, Mountain is scared.
Tapos pa, ano siya namin ulit?
Ang likot-likot niya.
Tapos iiyak ka niya sa mukha. Sinta sa mukha. Pinamos ka na.
Sino yan?
Nagsiselos to, kaya ayaw kumain, eh. Selos ang Mountain Boy, man.
Mountain Boy was still tested with Ehrlichia. So the doctor, the vet, advised we are not going to give him anti-rabies yet, and we will start again with his antibiotics for 1 month. For those who did not know, 4 months ago, Mountain Boy was tested with Ehrlichia, which means he had a tick-borne disease. So after the test, the vet immediately gave him antibiotics for 1 month and also vitamins to support his platelet count. But after 2 months, he's still positive. We did not give him antibiotics anymore, but we continued with the platelet support vitamins. So now we came back for his anti-rabies and asked the doctor to test him again with Ehrlichia, and he is still positive. So the doctor just advised to give him another month of antibiotics so that we will so that at least we'll be sure that he's already free of the disease. And because of the antibiotics, he was not given anti-rabies vaccine yet. So after 2 weeks, we will go back for his anti-rabies. And this is Yamanote being injected with his 6-in-1 vaccine. Dana. The people at the vet are really fond of him. They said he is so cute and really tiny. They can't believe he is a French bulldog because he is so tiny. This is Yamanote again at home. He immediately felt the effect of vaccine. He was sleeping all day. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.